China sent this. It's a flashlight. Oh, wow. Kind of more like a work light. That comes out. You can turn it that way. Have it like that. Or back. And have it go like that. And it's got a thing with like a head strap. You can kind of tilt it up and down. That part comes off. But doesn't work. It's magnetic. Put it under the hood of a car. I've tested way better flashlights and work lights. Warsun had sent me a whole bunch of them. This will sort of work. I gotta just get a couple of things here. Whoops, there we are. It'll work if you plug it in. And yeah, I plugged it in and I charged it. And look, it's charged anyway. Wouldn't be showing 4 lights. Now it works. It's not excitingly bright. It goes dimmer. Oh, yay. It is also supposed to do red flash and then like another red flash something. Doesn't even do that. Only works when it's plugged in. The little thing flashes. Sometimes when you turn it on, oh, now it's actually doing something different. Where it's flashing the last light. But look, do you see it get dim and bright? Yeah, you can see that. And if I unplug it, no charge, nothing. I had taken this apart the other day just to see, and it so turns out that the battery in there has got 3 point something, whatever kind of volts it's supposed to have. It's an 18650. What is it, 3.7 volts or something like that? So I contacted China and I said, flashlight no worky. And they said, oh, we so sorry, we send out another one right away. Great. I'm sorry, the flashlight doesn't work. The book said that you have to charge it, and I did. The lights show that it's fully charged. While it's plugged in, it works. But as soon as you unplug it, it goes dead. It's also supposed to go red. It goes out. Hold the button, nothing happens. Double click it, it just does that. Hold the button here, goes out. Totally dead, doesn't work. I thought about making a nice video and going out at night under the hood of the car and shit like that, and it's too hot right now to do that, so nope. And that sort of comes out, peels out, and there's the 18650. It's stuck, and you know, it's just sort of tack welded on kind of thing. That already broke off. So a little solder blob on that. I don't know that that would make any difference. Maybe a little one over here. But other than that, this is a good battery. I'll get the meter. 394, 393. Battery's good. The rest of it ain't. Something with the little circlip board. Yeah, you heard what I said. Something with the little circlip board inside is fakakta. No bueno. But I got a magnet. That's good. And what I wonder is if a guy can save the rest of the guts for no reason. This is cheap double stick China tape. It works. I bought some of that stuff from a dollar store once, and it did not work at all. It was awful. The board here is stuck, and I haven't gotten a replacement for this one yet. Oh well. Oh, there we go. Now we got it out. So there's 3 wires that go in. One of them is actually pinched already. So maybe one is for the white and the other is for the red and the other is a common. I don't know. Try to just desolder these wires real quick here. Come on. There. Good. Well, let me dick around with this and see if I can make it do anything just for fun, just off the bat, because battery, it runs the, and it gets, and it does things. Okay, it's either going to blow up or it's going to work. I don't know which. I can only really connect one, because those are the ones that have wires sticking out. Let's just blip it. Nothing. Did that just blink? Maybe not. Nothing there. Reverse polarity? It's not going to hurt it no more than it is, so. Oh! Red! Should be a good idea to short those, I think. Yeah, it's red. Will they burn up? I don't know. So you can see clearly the circuit board was no good. Well, we could try. I don't know if it uses the brown as a common and the black and the white. Maybe we'll try that. Well, I got one other combination, but I might have to strip that. I don't know if that's going to do any good. We'll see if we get anything. Nothing that way. Nope. Alright, let me see if I can strip that. Yeah, it works. I don't know if I could turn it. Yep. There it is. Yay! Okay. How does it work directly on 5 volts? I gotta see if I still have that cable. There we go. Can we blow it up successfully? Oh, I guess we'll plug that in later. We'll try the regular convention. See if that works. Maybe it'll blow it up. Maybe it won't. Should work at least for a little while. Yeah, there. Okay. Good. So let's see. Oh, my wire fell off. Wah, wah. Oh, that's kind of blinding. Yeah, that's kind of bright. I bet the red would work in conjunction with it if I can. Not that I'm seeing there. Could be reverse. Yeah. Ooh. The whole thing dims down. Yeah, it drags the whole thing down. Wow. So you can have one or the other, unless this just isn't putting out the current, or that's not designed for it. But I made it work. It doesn't flash red. So now what? What do I do with it? Have it as a stupid USB light that I could wire up and put on a USB camera? What's this? Well, I have to thought about that one. A little warm. It's not, you know, a non-rechargeable plug-in flashlight, you know? Something to thought about. We got the red on the black and the black on the white. So the black and white hooked to the regular polarity is what makes it work. Nifty. So looking and thinking about this, I think that this could be... Oh, did we break it? I'm seeing all the LEDs look black now. Yeah, maybe a little more testing, see if it'll blow itself up. But if it doesn't, then I could put it back together and have it as sort of a USB flashlight with a magnet in it. Other way. You know, and then the other half goes on there, and it would stick to a computer case. It's an idea. So I think what I'll do is I'll just sort of reassemble it for now, throw the circuit board out, keep the battery for something else, and this will be a project for another day that I'll probably never do. Yay! Anyway, they're sending a replacement of this. Guess you don't need that anymore. So anyway, we looked at it and we figured it out, and that's what we did. Yeah, I think that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.